Okay, so you have your paper towels next to your sink where you wash your hands or do other moistening things. Okay, so I'm just gonna rinse my hands real quick. I did just use the restroom, so they are dirty, just to further prove that this is not an unsanitary thing to do, because I'm going to cleanse my hands before I dry them. Alright, this is the key here. You gotta wash your hands first, because if you don't, then yeah, it is fucking gross. Alright, you got shit hands, you didn't fucking wash them. That's your fault if you get E. coli. That's your fucking fault, okay? I'm gonna wash my hands now. Alright, so now that my hands are clean, they're dripping, they're wet, as you can tell, no pun intended. Here are my paper towels. Now, I would not recommend grabbing the roll like this because then you're getting all the other ones wet, but I'm doing that for the purpose of this video. You should put it on a rack, okay? Roll it out. One sheet. Tear one sheet off, like so, okay? I'm going to dry my hands accordingly, all right? Front and back, slowly, all right? This is the simple part, all right? This is still where it's simple. So as you're drying your hands, you want to make sure that you don't rub the towel too hard because you might rip it, right? So what you want to do is, you want to tie the towel, right? You want to rotate it till, not rotate it, sorry, tighten it like a towel, even though it's a paper towel, till it's in like this long, rolled up shape. I don't know how to describe this, but make sure the middle is loose. You just want the ends to be tight, okay? And you just want to loop it around, you see that? Flip your hands under, loop it over, just like that. Do it again until it is a small ball, like this. Not just a ball, it's a special technique, okay? I can't really describe it that much, you're gonna have to figure it out on yourself, on your own time, but this is pretty much how to do it. You want to stuff the paper towel in your mouth. Huh? What? Down. Sorry, bite down. Now, for some of you, this may be unpleasant, all right? It is unpleasant for me, but it is required. Sorry about that. Bite down and scream. Ah! 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 Now, after you scream, you're going to want to spit your phlegm out because that will generate. This is saliva. Okay, an enzyme. What this does is break down the leftover germs on the paper towel. This is what the common man forgets, all right? No matter how thoroughly you wash your hands, there are going to be a little bit of germs on them no matter what, all right? But hey, that just builds up immunity, right? If you really want to clean it, put it in your mouth, scream. The saliva from the back of your throat and the mucus particles will hit the paper towel as it is rolled up accordingly and coat it in an anti-germ layer. Now after that's happened, you're going to want to unravel your towel. Make sure there are no tears. If there are tears, you're going to have to do this all over again because there's no point in fucking keeping you when it's torn. Very carefully open it. As you see, the sides will be pinched. That is important also. Okay? Now that it's open, you're going to want to get your Old Spice deodorant, put it in the center where it was not hit by the saliva, as this will counteract any saliva that did not hit the paper towel. Just do a simple streak. It's mostly for the odor, more so than actual germ protection. Simple streak down. I'd like to do a little bit, a few swirls here and there, but not too much, just a small coating so it leaves a nice pleasant smell. All right, so now you have a reusable, clean, and scented, refreshed paper towel. Almost better than the whole roll itself. All right, and once you're done with that, fold it accordingly. Doesn't have to be perfect, just you're gonna have to wait for it to dry anyway, and place it in an area where it's not going to get thrown out and it's not going to get wet again. All right, it can get wet, but you're gonna have to wait longer for it to dry. So this will take about 6 hours to completely dry, depending on the way that it's folded. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, don't ask, I will not answer them. Everything in this video is right, and anything that you think is utterly wrong. Thank you.